Guys, we just forgot the most important thing. Hey, my channel, my name is Kenzie, and today we're opening RadDish Kids box. Let's open it up. There's a spatula. What's this? This is messy. Let's take this out. Got a recipe. And this one is a peach pancake. And this one is more pie. And this one is hamburgers. These are the recipes. All 3 recipes came in the box. This is the shopping list. Let's go to the store. Come on, let's go. First, I need graham crackers. Okay, let's get them. Let's go put them in the cart. Now they're in the cart. Next, sugar. We got sugar. I got cornstarch. Let's put it in. I got the cocoa powder and the marshmallow. Here's the vanilla. Here's the butter. I can't. Here's the butter. Last thing, milk. So, today we're making s'mores pie. And this is the rule book and shows you what to do. Let's get started. Step 1. Melt the butter. Put 12 graham crackers in a bag like this. Crush them until they're teeny, tiny little crumbs. Let's go. Sugar into the butter. Let's do it. I think I'm pouring this one. Mix it up gently, quickly. Add your graham crackers into the pie pan and squish it down like this. Pie crust is all done. Now it's time for the filling. Grab a pot like this. First, in your bowl, add milk. Next is cornstarch and salt. Cocoa powder. And last, sugar. Now stir it all up. Guys, we just forgot the most important thing. We also got chocolate chips. Now we gotta go find some. I'm back with chocolate chips. Yay! I forgot to put my apron on. It came in the box. Look it says RadDish. Everything I can put in the pot. Cook for 1 minute. Let's like this so it can get thick. Add chocolate chips. Now add butter. Now add vanilla. Now mix and pour your chocolate into the pie crust. Put in the fridge for 4 hours. See you later. Put your marshmallows on like this. Bake your pie for 5 minutes like me. Once it's done baking, it should look like this. Let's try it. Thank you for watching.